Hi everyone, it's Cindy Houston here. I'm at the Yoga Body Elements studio and I want to introduce you and invite you to the Introduction to Essential Oils. This is a 2-hour class. You don't have to have any experience with essential oils. And if you are a licensed massage therapist and you attend the 2 hours, you can get 2 CEs for attending. So what do we do in the Introduction to Essential Oils class? Well, to start, I let you know a little bit more about myself and how I got introduced to the essential oils, and that I've been practicing with essential oils since 2010, both personally and in my practice. And Young Living is the brand that I choose to share with the Wellness Center, whether it's in our workshops or our sessions. And one thing I love the most about Young Living is their legacy, and also I love the purity that they provide with their oils. Very much seed to seal, and nothing in between. So you're really getting an essential oil in its purest form and very high quality. And so we're going to talk about how the essential oils are made. When you attend, you're going to get some worksheets, and these are ones that you can take home with you. And it's going to talk about the oils that we're going to focus on in the class, and how to diffuse them, how to work with them, and if you're wanting to work with any sort of carrier oils or make any sprays or any products with them, we'll go into it too. And so behind me, I have the 250 kit of the essential oils. So this will be present. And whether you're newer to essential oils or you're familiar, you'll get to explore these essential oils. And I also will have the essential oil pocket reference. And so this pocket reference, if you've never seen it, is outstanding. It lets you know where the essential oil is grown, where it comes from, what you can do with it, different ailments that the essential oils can support you with, and much, much more. So we really go into a deep dive with essential oils if you are looking for other ways to work with your wellness and support your wellness. So I hope you join us for our next 2-hour training. Check out the Yoga Body Elements website, follow the Instagram, and you'll know when our next meetup is for essential oils. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.